Hi guys, we just now bought a mobile Samsung S9, Galaxy S9, which is the most talked about phone in 2018, and this is the flagship mobile coming from Samsung, and you can clearly see the price details and manufacturing year and other details on this side of the box, and it's priced at 62,500, and but Samsung, we bought it at 57,900, and we also got 6,000 cashback in Paytm. So the final price is coming around 51,900, around roughly around 52,000, and you can see all the features of this Galaxy Samsung S9 are listed on the backside of the box. I mean, you can see all the specs anyway. You can everywhere. So right now we are unboxing this Galaxy S9 mobile, and we'll see what is there inside. Sorry, so this is it, Samsung Galaxy S9, and Samsung is giving a back cover. It's giving this for free. They'll anyway include this in the price, but this is a nice back cover you're getting, and we already opened this, so it's already switched on. Because we already opened it once and we just want to show you again, so we are unboxing it again. And so this is a pin for SIM card and all, I think, and this is a manual quick start guide from Samsung. And then if you see what are the other accessories that are being given along with this flagship mobile of Samsung, this is the adaptive fast charging charger adapter, and then this is this OTG USB connector, and then all right, these are the further new accessories that are being given. So this will be the data cable, and then these are the most talked earphones, AKG earphones from Samsung. The cable looks pretty solid. These are AKG earphones. So this is it. This is a Samsung Galaxy S9 mobile, and please subscribe us, and we will give a detailed review on this mobile.